In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Sam's Club membership 2026 step by step. To get started, head over to the official Sam's Club website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is look at the membership options available. Sam's Club usually offers two main plans. The club membership is the standard option and gives you access to shop in-store and online. The Plus membership includes those same core benefits, but it also adds extra perks like free shipping on eligible online orders over a certain amount, Sam's Cash on qualifying purchases, early shopping hours, and discounts on select services. Take a moment here to think about how often you plan to shop, because that can help you decide which plan makes the most sense for you. Next, choose how you want to sign up. You can join online through the official Sam's Club membership page, or you can go in person to the member services desk at a Sam's Club location. If you're doing this from home, click the join button on the website to begin the online registration process. If you prefer in-person help, the store option can be useful, especially if you want assistance during sign-up. Once you start the registration, you'll be asked to enter your information. This typically includes your full name, email address, a password for your account, your mailing address, and your phone number. Make sure everything is entered carefully and accurately so there are no delays or issues with your membership setup. It's also a good idea to use an email address you check regularly, since membership confirmations and account updates are usually sent there. After that, select the membership tier you want. This is where you confirm whether you want the club membership or the Plus membership. Before moving on, review the annual membership fee and the benefits included with your selection so you know exactly what you're signing up for. The next step is adding a payment method. Enter a valid credit or debit card to pay for the annual membership. You may also see the option to turn on automatic renewal. If you want your membership to renew each year without having to remember it manually, you can enable that here. If not, you can leave it off and renew later yourself. Now review all of your information and complete the registration. Once you submit the application and your payment is processed successfully, your membership will become active. Finally, access your membership card.